What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to show you guys how to use the backslash command in the Claude. So this is the command terminal. You guys can install it through the link in the description. Once you have installed it, you just have to run it. For example, if I exit it from running this command, simply typing in backslash then exit, it will simply exit it from here. And now once I have to access the Claude again, I will simply type in Claude and I have the resume cache number of key here. So how to use the backslash command? Just simply use the backslash and ask it for anything. For example, if you want to use for the models, just simply type in the model and you guys can select between the models that you guys have over here. So if I go ahead and select the Fapwell model, it will include it right away. So this is how you guys can do it. I hope you find this video helpful. See you in the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.